in Lego City, written by Ringo Tehan. Once upon a time, far away, there was a boy and a girl who lived in a house. And then there was a fire near the house. The boy and the girl drove away to a city. They drove to the front of the city, and then they drove to the back of the city. They went through a gap. The boy was on one side, and the girl was on the other side. The boy caused the girl to know there was a hotel, so they went to the hotel. They watched the news in the hotel. The news said, "Today is gonna be a nice day." But the boy whispered to the girl, "There was an earthquake in the city." Quickly they went into a car. They fell in the car, but then they got back up. They saw the earthquake. And then they drove back home. The